These Fiuua No. 10 pocket hole screws in 3-inch length offer a dependable option for strong wood joinery in furniture, cabinetry, and general woodworking projects. The multi-layer corrosion-resistant coating holds up impressively well in outdoor or damp environments, making these screws a solid choice for decks, garden pieces, and other exposed builds. Their square drive washer head combination gives excellent bit engagement and a broad bearing surface, so the screws pull joints tight without cam out or overdrilling the pocket. A coarse, self-tapping thread with a sharp tip cuts quickly into softwood and treated lumber, reducing splitting while still providing a very secure mechanical grip. The hardened carbon steel construction and clean, accurately cut threads make these screws feel robust in use, resisting bending, snapping, and stripping even under heavy driving torque. A generous quantity of screws comes neatly organized in a sturdy storage container, and the included driver bit makes it easy to get started right away on pocket hole projects.